Hey guys and welcome. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Rally Armor mud flaps for the 2015 through 2018 Subaru WRXs and STIs. Look out in the future for an install video and whether or not it was worth it. Alright, here we go. Let's open up this box. It came a little beat up. I bought it on Amazon and they had free 2-day shipping, so it seemed like a good deal. I was looking at it for Subi Speed, but Amazon beat the deal. So let's open this up. There we go. Comes in its own box. Let's take that out. So this is the Rally Armor box. It's really well packaged. It's got a nice design. You know, it's aesthetically pleasing. I love their logo. It's well packaged. It's not beat up. So let's open it. Black tape. It's really nicely packaged. We're gonna open that. And here we go. This is a really nice box. They did a really good job here. Now the parts themselves are coming in really good packaging. We've got the hardware to install it and the mud flap all in one bag. Let's move the box and look at it. So here's our hardware. It's really well packaged. We've got the instructions here. Let's open it up. So we made a little bit of a cut there. We're gonna pull it open to actually see the mud flaps. There we go. And pull the instructions out. And the mud flaps are actually wrapped in paper so they don't rub when you're during shipping. And they're really high quality and they look fantastic. They're also very, very thick and very well packaged. So let's take a look at the hardware. So I'm going to make a little bit of a cut there. And I'm going to pull out the mounting brackets. Here are the mounting brackets. They're zip tied together. You know, they look okay. You can tell they're coming off a laser cut and doesn't look like there's any bends. Well, I got 2 bends here, but these are just laser cut. And here we have all the mounting hardware. It's nicely packaged, it's labeled, it's going to be easy to go through. Thanks for watching, guys. Look out in the future for an install video and a review.